My camera trash. I'm practicing, y'all. Today is December 24th, Christmas Eve, February 2025, 2025, December 24th. I'm just practicing my strategy, y'all. I'm on pocket option right now. I'll share my screen so y'all can see what I'm working on using multiple time frames to try to better my strategy. I got the 1 minute time frame on the left and a 5 minute time frame on the right, working on my EMA strategy right now. Just got in for that trade, 3 minutes. I use a 5 minute pretty much to gauge what's going on. I'll show you the works. But we got about to I think this is a good place to start right here. Good sell, good sell, good sell. Estuve loca, yeah. That's good. That's a good sell. Boom. Let me post this real quick, y'all. Hold on real quick. Let me pause. Gotta post this real quick. How much was that trade, guys? Oh, I didn't know. All right, y'all. Let's see. I didn't realize I traded that much. Let's find another chart. We get in on a 1 minute. So let's look at US. Let's look at this one side by side. What's BDT? And I train on a 5. It's pretty strong momentum. This is a trend trading and trend, especially trend continuation. So ooh, that's what down here. No, that ain't no move. I would want for it to come back up closer to the 21, to this one right here. The 5 is perfect. Like we want the price to be below the 200 and below the 50, while both the 50 and the 200 are sloping downward. I don't care if the 5 is above the 21 so much per se, but on the 5, I don't. But on the 21, this is good. But let me look for another one. Ain't no setup there. Estuve loca, yeah. No. May have a move here, but then again, that ain't a pullback that I'm looking for. Well, so I can get some more assets up here. You know what I'm saying? While y'all out eating dinner and opening up gifts that y'all know y'all can't afford, I'm in here studying. And one day I'm gonna hit my goal, net worth goal of 200 million. Your boy gonna be up there. Don't come asking for no handouts either. Might have some here. Let's see. Remember, the pullbacks are the ones where you have to be very patient. You got to be patient. We're gonna wait here and see if we get a pullback. It's sloping up like this. This is what we want here. On the 5, pushing up here. These two pushing up. And we got a pullback on the pullback happening. Y'all passed that midterm, short term, midterm EMA right there. Let's just be a little patient and see, what happens there. I wish I had multiple screens. Shoot, man. Estuve en la calle, pero fue por amor. So we got to pull back close to the middle line, the midterm. I'm sorry, close to the short-term EMA, short-term trend EMA. This EMA here, this white one is a trigger. Let's see what happens. Overall, it's an uptrend. It's pulling back on the 5. It may stay above that. We don't know yet, so be patient and wait. Ah! I'm gonna go work out after this, do a little something, something. Ugh. Y los muchachos del barrio le llamaban loca. Unos señores vestidos de blanco le dijeron ve. Ella gritó, la señora, ya lo ven, yo no estoy loca. Estuve en la calle, pero fue por amor. She recorded me dancing. I didn't know I didn't know I didn't know she posted it. You may have an opening here, y'all. Let's check this out. Everything is aligned. Everything is aligned. Give it a minute. Let's see if it retests a little bit. It's kind of creating a lower low, a lower high right here, which is possible downtrend. That's that pullback on the 5 over here. Now the 5 is still shooting up. Now these two right here are starting to flatten out, which is signs of some market indecision. So you're gonna see some choppy. You may see a little consolidation there and choppy or some choppy stuff. We're just gonna wait. Right now, we're just gonna wait and be patient till we get a move. Not really. No, Simon. No, Simon. I'm gonna just sit and wait, be patient, son. All right, I'm looking at Euro JPY. I see the slope down here. And it ain't charging. Ah, I thought it was charging. Ah,
Power on.
the boy smooth. Dude is a giant, bro. All right. So we may have a move here. Let's see. That was up. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that sell. Get past that wick. I'm gonna do 20 just for the sake of it. Ah, could have got in a little bit earlier, like right here, right at the pass, but let's see. Sometimes I'm gonna go on mute. All right, so that's why I did 3 minutes, because sometimes you got to give your trade enough time to, you got to get the market enough time to make a move. Because you see how it pulled up here. We got in like a little late, but got in at the right time though. I could have got in a little earlier. But you see how it pulled back up, broke through the five, tried to trade below the five, and then pull back up to sort of do a retest and then continue, right? That's a good sign. You giving the market some time to look at that. Did the same thing on the 5, pulled up, came right back down. You gotta give the market some time to go into your favor. So we're gonna find another one. We're gonna try to do like at least two more. Just follow on the strategy using that 5 to get our confirmation. Hold on real quick. All right, so let's try to find another one. Let's see what we got here. So that's a little pullback. Let's see. Slope up a little bit. Could slope higher. They got away a little bit. Ay, that- I would wait till it passes this little wick area, this area here. It's a good question. Hold on. Let me see something real quick, y'all. Give me 1 second. That's a that's a great question. Oh, you can't see the date. Dang, dang. It don't allow you to see the date. Let's be a little patient and wait a little bit because it's sloping upwards on the 5, sloping up. But we want some movement. There's a resistance here. A strong resistance there that it not it will not, but that it has not broken the resistance area that you could draw by right here. Let's see. Let's just wait a little bit, But it's getting lower highs on the 5, so it might be a sign of some type of rejection, some type of reversal. But let's just be a little patient. Let's just wait a little bit. All right, so we just got some movement here. Here come the retest, sloping up on the 5. Let's let this candle finish. It's retesting that resistance area. Like it just pulled back in. I always draw area. I don't draw a line. I was taught that resistance and support are areas and not lines, unless it's dynamic. But this is static. It's an area, not a particular line, and that's what I stick with. So you deal with something else, that's cool. Okay, it just broke out with a confirmation candle, so maybe too late. Mm, but it's too late. I like that entry. Here, come down. Could be about to retest again. I don't know. Buyers are really taking control right here. Over here. For it to wick all the way down here and then push back up. Se acerca la Navidad. It's trading above the 5. It's retesting that support. Now it's support area. So retesting that support slash resistance coming through. We got higher lows, higher highs. Opposite on the five. Five, same thing though, it's hitting that resistance area, but everything is still sloping upwards slightly. It's kind of the start of a new trend, if you will, over here, long term. New uptrend long term coming up above the 200 and the 50. Excuse me. Close out, close above. I don't like this move, y'all. It ain't really pulled back that much for the cross. I mean, if I could trade the support and I could trade the resistance, but my strategy is not trading support and resistance. Yeah. Let's see, Euro JPY. Did we just get in the move over here? May have another one coming real soon. Let's see. Acerca la Navidad. Damn near overbought. Oversold, I'm sorry. Yeah, we may be able to catch another one over here. Let's be patient. Let's see what happens. There may be some divergence here to here. Let's see what happens. Let's be a little patient on this. All right, we may have a move here on Johnson and Johnson. Let's see. We probably already missed it, but I'm gonna let this finish out. Could have got in up here, but I'm gonna let it finish out. It could easily. I try to like to wait till it finished because it could easily come back. But I'm gonna just go ahead and. Okay. I'm actually not very confident about this trade. I'm gonna be real. I'm not confident about this one, bro. Everything else, I'm not confident about it, dog. Look how flat this is. Look at this right here. It's just pure consolidation. I'm not confident about this trade at all. This is starting to this is starting to go down. This is down, but this 50 is starting to flatten out, bro. I don't like that. We're gonna be patient and wait and see what to do though. Hold on. But I'm not confident about that dropping, but I'm just still not comfortable with it. I'm not comfortable with it, bro. Wicking off the 50 and the 21 and the 5, which is good. Sellers are showing some lot of strength, but still, I'm just not comfortable with it, bro. I don't like this choppy shit. Too choppy, bro. Maybe I would have won it, maybe I wouldn't have, but I fuck the choppiness. That's why I pulled out. I'm like, nah, I don't like that. I don't like the setup. Look at that. Bounce stuff. Toot, toot, toot. Let's see what Euro USD looking like on the 5 minute. Trying to see if we can catch one more. Nope. Vamos a brindar a los negros de Huahuanco. Na, 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 na. Mi Huahuanco. Yeah, that's what I like right here. Hold on, y'all, real quick. Give me a second. pushing, it's pushing. See, I'm gonna try to get in right now and see what happened. Because I was waiting for a little push up on the on this SAR, just just for better confirmation. I could have got in earlier, but my local high is right here, so I wanted to wait till it passed that at least. But I could have got in a little earlier just based off price action, but I want to double check, just be sure. Let's see what happens. Now, in all actuality, because the SAR and the thesis is optional, in all actuality, I should have got in when it was trading above the 5. So really, when it passed this week right here is when I should have got in. It should not even be close right now. Of course, you got to give the market time to move, which I did like 3 minutes, but still, it should not even be close. I should have got in about right here. Once it passed this line, let's see. Or on. I don't know my audio. Let me test my audio. Hello, hello. All right. Should be on. All right, cool. Yeah, it shouldn't even be this close, bro. I should have got in about right here. Boom. No hesitation, but I waited for the indicator instead of looking at price action. Like I said, it shouldn't even be this close, but I needed some time for the market to react, but still shouldn't even be that close. Even though it's a win, we got to get in closer. Timing got to be better. All right, y'all. That's enough for today. Peace. We out. Good practice, y'all. I'm gonna upload the video right now. It's your boy Aziz. That's my strategy right there. The strategy I'm working on. I ain't gonna tell y'all the settings, you know what I'm saying, with the EMAs. Y'all could probably figure it out, but that's what I'm working on. I ain't finna put all my stuff out there. But it is an EMA scalping strategy that I'm working on. I'm gonna do it on pocket option and I'm gonna work on another platform where I can hold trades pretty longer. I've been doing binary for a minute. So I'm gonna try something else. But thank y'all. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Peace out. Hey, yeah, peace.